Wow! I've never seen this before. Whoa! Hello, Ruby. The 4 seasons have become mixed up. Will you help put them back in order? Of course! Let's go, friends! Everything looks so fresh and colorful. Welcome to spring! What happens in spring? Flowers grow, trees get new leaves, baby animals are born. Spring is what nature wakes up after winter. 1 season saved. It's warm here. Welcome to summer! What makes summer special? Summer is usually the hottest season. People swim, play outside, and enjoy long sunny days. Many fruits grow during summer. 2 seasons saved. Wow! The trees look like a giant painting. Welcome to autumn! Why are the leaves changing color? The trees are getting ready for winter. Animals are preparing food too. That's right. 3 seasons saved. Bro! It's cold.
Welcome to winter!
What happens during winter?
The weather becomes colder. Some animals hibernate. Some places get snow.
4 seasons saved. Oh no! What's happening? This can't be good! Oh no! Oh! The seasons are mixed up. I know what to do. Wonderful job, Ruby! Let's remember the seasons together. Spring, flowers bloom, baby animals arrive, trees grow leaves. Summer, warm weather, long sunny days, fruits grow. Autumn, leaves change color. Animals prepare for winter. Winter, cold weather, snow in some places. Animals rest and hibernate. Every season is different. Every season is special. We need all 4 seasons to help plants, animals, and people. Just like every child is different and special too. Which season is your favorite? Do you like spring flowers, summer beaches, autumn leaves, or winter snow? Tell me in the comments. See you next time for another Ruby Fox learning adventure.